data. It's everything about having the right data, having systems that traditionally haven't talked to each other in a way that makes sense. So it's that concept of, do you have enough data? And then once you have the data, what do you do with it? And how do you make it work? So that's the biggest thing. So we have air quality specialists that range from both regulatory and engineering to dispersion modeling and monitoring to help manage, okay, you have data, what data do you need? What's the right data to have? How do you get a business to, okay, we have the data, we want to grow. How do we do so in a way that's environmentally sound, that is truly financially and regulatorily sustainable for us to move forward and keep growing in a way that makes sense operationally? So for clients I'm working with, they're looking at the fact the regulations are changing, how they're now assessing financial risk associated with climate change, and how that could impact their assets, their supply chains, and their other aspects of it. So how can we work with clients to not just report on what they're doing, but look forward and strategize of how to implement solutions that are meaningful across their entire set of assets? The relationship with the clients is very different. I've seen it's that partnership with a client where it's not just a, hey, we have one service and this is what we do. It's the fact that we have air quality specialists who partner with environmental managers, who partner with the other aspects to make it more of a holistic approach. So we're going to offer everything from an air quality perspective. We look at that regulatory aspect of it. Hey, what are the regulations coming up, not just from an environmental perspective, but from a financial reporting perspective? And how do you integrate the two so you're not reinventing the wheel each time a new agency comes up with a new regulation, whether it's in the US or globally? So Geosyntec has not just the individuals who understand the regulatory aspects of it and the management side of it. They have individuals that are engineers and scientists that can understand the actual real-world implications of implementing a solution and what does that look like. So you go from that strategy piece to really implementing it and growing your operations in a truly sustainable way that is friendly for the climate moving forward.